Very good morning, students. Today we will start our new exercise, that is 2V. Okay, here all questions we will see from this exercise. Question first, second, and question third. Okay. So question number first is locate the missing points on number line. These are the number lines given. Okay. So we have to find missing point. Okay. See, where is missing point? Here. What will come? Here. Okay. So we have to find. See, 0, 2, 4, 6. How many difference are there? 2 twos difference. So obviously here also will come in difference of 2's. 2, 4, 6. After that 8 will come, right? 10, 12, 14, 16 and 18. So here 8 will come. Okay, simple only it is. Here how many differences? 15, 30, 45, 60. Add 15 in that. Add 2 in that. So you got 8. Add 15 in this. So you will get 75. Okay. If you add 15 again, then 90 will come. Here again, if you add 15, 105. After that, 120 like this will come. Okay. Here 0, 25, 50, 75, X, Y, Z given, right? So how many differences are there? 25. So see here, 125. Difference of 25, 25, 25, 25. Here also, if we add 25 here, then what will come? 150. 125 plus 25 is 150. After that, if you add 25 again, so this will come. Obviously, this is the right answer. Okay, like this you have to fill the missing point. Okay, so question number second we will see now. See, this graph given, okay, on number line. I have already written here for your understanding. See, this is going at right side. Arrow you can check. Okay, this is going and right side. So starting from 2 and it ends at 9. Okay, so how many curve are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, right? Starting from 2, I have written here plus because it's going towards right, so that we have to put the sign plus. Starting from 2, I have declared there plus because it is going right side. And how many curve? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So I have put 7. 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. So this you got. See, the curve went up to 9. So answer you got 9. Correct? Okay, if it is going right side, then plus. If it is coming left side, then it will be minus. See in this example. Okay, from 10 it is coming towards 1, right? Means it is coming at left side, so we have to subtract 10. From 10 it had started, 10 I have written, minus how many curve? Check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So minus because it's coming left, and minus how many curve? 9 curve. So answer will be 1. Came at 1. Okay, like this you have to show. Now after 1 we have to leave 0, not here. 2 curve, which you can check the curve after 1 digits. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. If after 1 digit it is coming, then we have to multiply, right? It was in continuous form. It was also in continuous form, right and left. Okay, now if 1 digits, after 1 digits we have take, then we have to multiply. Okay, so how many digits are there in between? 1 and 2, like this, means totally 2. So I have written 2. And how many curve? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 digits, so that taken 2. After 2 digits we have taken multiply, and how many curve? 5 curve. So 2 5s are, your answer is 10. Got? Answer is 10. Okay, like this you have to keep in mind. Okay, After that question last means fourth from question 2. It is coming after 2 2, it is coming at left side, obviously it will be divided. So from starting from 12, so I have written 12 divided by how many digits they are, after how many digits it is curve, 2 digits, so I have taken divided by 2 and your answer is 6. Like this you have to solve this question number 2. Okay, now question number 3 is evaluate the following using number lines. Okay, this is exactly opposite of this. From this graph we got like this. Now this is given, so it is opposite, exact opposite of that question. 7 plus 5. Okay, plus 5 we have to go towards right, starting from 7. How it will be? See, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12 13 14. Okay, for your understanding I am taking here starting from 7. Okay, 7, it's going right, plus means how many curve I want? 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Answer is 12. Like this you have to show the graph of this question number 3rd. Okay, and our other remaining questions like this you have to solve. Okay, thank you, have a nice day. This exercise is over here. Okay, thank you.